What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. Today, we're talking oval cookware. So I bought this oval Stockpot years ago from Macy's. And I think this was kind of a precursor to the Rachael Ray Oval Cookware from Anolon. This is an Anolon piece, but the time I bought it, it wasn't labeled Rachael Ray. And it was like way before she brought all her big line out. So I don't know if it was hers or it was a model before hers. But I really love this pan and I decided to get some more oval cookware and it arrived. So join us. Let me do a quick unboxing of some of this oval cookware that I got from Rachael Ray. So like I said, I bought this from Macy's a long time ago, and it wasn't branded Rachael Ray, but it looks a lot like what she's currently selling with a few exceptions. It is Anolon Advanced. That's what the brand is, and she works with Anolon on her cookware, so I think this might just be something that came out before her full line came out. But the handles don't sit up this high. And I really like this. I really wish they didn't change the design on this because I love these handles. Maybe they had a problem with them fitting in ovens because the handles are so high. They're not too much higher than this, so I'm not exactly sure why they changed the design, but I love this pan. And I really wish they would bring this version back. So I ordered a couple fun things here. I ordered a set, which I don't exactly know what pieces are in here. I think there's a Stockpot and maybe a saucepan. And I also ordered this oval saute pan. I thought ovals would be pretty cool because I have a burner here. It has two burners, but it also has a center burner. So I figured that I could turn on all of them and let it go all the way across for the heat, or at least 1.5, right? To keep that heat going. I've always wanted one of these. I have no idea why. Sometimes it may be just because you see it all the time. So it's like, I want it, right? Just because of repetition. So we have one piece. We have another piece. We have another piece. This is what Wednesday's all about, right? Cookware. Another piece. What's up Wednesday is what's up cookware?
Do we get a rice paddle?
I hope so. Oh yeah, one of those little
Instant Pots.
Measuring cups.
Yeah, Instant Pots give you that.
Okay. So let's see what we have here. We have what appears to be a saucepan. Ooh, I like this. I like the shape of it. I think that's what sort of attracted me to it was the shape. This is, it just says hard anodized. It doesn't say Anolon. So I hope there's Anolon still making these. Because Anolon has good stuff. There's a lid to it. Interesting.
There's no brand on it?
It has her brand, but it doesn't say Anolon. Here's some kind of spoon. I think this spoon, you can hold it here so when you're stirring stuff, you don't have to put it down anywhere. It just latches on the side of a pan like that. I think I like that. I don't know what she calls this. There's also a little fry pan that also doesn't say Anolon. Doesn't say Anolon. It says Rachael Ray hard anodized. So this is a 10-inch skillet. First thing I can say about it is it might be 10-inch, but look at how narrow this is because the sides are sloping so much. So this is an 8-inch disguised as a 10-inch, right?
10 at the top.
10 at the top.
But the bottom is about 7. Not even 7, 6.
Yeah. And the star of the show on this set is the Stockpot. It looks similar. Oh, I guess it does have a pour spout. It is very similar. It's just they changed the handles. I really wish they would have kept the handles.
You risk burning unless you have a mitts on.
What? Because they're lower?
Yeah, look how close it is.
Here.
Those are silicone. You probably don't need mitts, right, normally? Looks like you're going to burn your fingers.
I don't know. If the pan is hot because there's not enough, as much clearance. Exactly. Here, you're completely away from the pan.
You are.
I don't know. What do you guys think? I really like the stand-up handles on this old version. I mean, I like this pot. I really wish they would have kept it.
You gotta use the tips of your fingers.
Yeah.
That or you gotta wear your little alligator croc thingies.
I don't know. This is just sexier.
Well, it's got the shiny lid.
Pink lemonade.
Special pink lemonade.
Yeah, so I vote for the old version, but they are pretty similar. The base of the pan, I like it. Okay, last but not least is her classic piece. This is a 5-quart covered oval saute. I believe it is orange color. These have been around a long time and people really like them, so I figured I would try them out, right? It's a big box. Oh, because it's a big handle. It's a really big handle. So here's our lid. Yay. Does the lid from this fit on this? Yeah, it does. Does it fit on the old one? It does.
Put the old one on yours.
This one? It does.
Does it fit the 5-quart thingy?
No. So here's the pan. Pretty nifty. The lid that goes with it. The lid from the new one. And the lid from the old one. So they all fit. Yeah. So it's basically the same base. I really like these handles. I wish they would have stuck with those. I wish they would bring these back. So Rachel, right? So, these are really cool. These are really cool. I see why they get good marks because it allows you to have a bigger pan. You can cook spaghetti in this without breaking it apart. You can put corn on the cob in this and still have room on your other burner. So let me grab an egg. Wednesday egg test, right? I sprayed a little tiny bit of olive oil in there. This is just a quick nonstick test. Okay, so the egg is starting to cook. I mean, their nonstick is usually pretty good, so we will see.
Well, they're Teflon. Well, they're Teflon. Their nonstick is usually durable for years. But do you ever
look at that. That looks pretty good. It's not ready to flip, but
Are you saying this could be a potato pan then?
This is not a potato pan because it's too small.
But the nonstick is good though.
The nonstick is good. I'm not quite getting the spin on it. It's not slickety slick.
So it's not super slippery then?
I mean, it is nonstick, look at that, but it's not. Some I can twirl the egg around. It's nonstick enough. We can just say that. Look at that. Nice. Whoops! What about scrambled eggs? Chopped it up. There you go, folks. Pretty nice. Pretty nice for an old sticky egg. Fairly decent. I give it a solid high B. What's a solid high B?
It's above average.
What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. How are you doing? Right? We have some new pieces of this oval cookware. I'm looking forward to start using it. Should we try some spaghetti? Because that's the big thing with one of these is making spaghetti in it. We've done spaghetti before, so let me know down in the comments if you want to see one of these with spaghetti. Because yeah, we've done basic spaghetti, but never in one of these kind of pots. So let me know if you guys want to see that. I hope you have a great rest of the week. I hope you had a great Easter and didn't mind too much how crazy we were on the live stream decorating those Easter eggs. We are still eating hard-boiled eggs and egg salad. Probably will be for the next month. Have a great day. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button below and that bell for notification of our uploads. Also, come out and visit us on our Facebook group, facebook.com/group/Amy Learns to Cook. You can also catch me on all other social media platforms, Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, it's a little different. I'm at Cooking with Amy. So, yeah, I'm ready to try these pans out. And that was a little fun egg test. Have a great week and happy Wednesday.